floss tutorial. So I'm in my 3rd year of dental school, and until I started dental school, I've been a lifetime flosser, but I did not know the correct way to floss until I made it to school. I have my not so anatomically correct typodont here, but how I used to floss was just kind of going straight up and down in between the teeth, just kind of aiming at where your teeth connect and just getting food out. And that only accomplishes one of the 2 main goals of flossing. First goal of flossing, get the food out in between your teeth from the contact point. Second main goal of flossing is to actually get the plaque that's built up under your gums. And by just going straight up and down between the contacts, you're getting the first part, but you're missing the second part, which is actually where most of the plaque hangs out. So when you're brushing, you get like most of the plaque off your teeth, but you can't get the plaque that's like underneath your gums between your teeth. You actually need to go in with the floss and get there. And that area, it's called the gingival papilla. That area is really important because that's where gingivitis / gum disease tends to start. So here we go. String floss is definitely better than just these floss sticks because you're using a new piece of floss for every tooth. So you just wrap them around your fingers, and hopefully I can show on this typodont, but you want to go up and down the tooth on either side of that papilla. So you're cleaning off the plaque on either side, not just straight up and down. It takes a little bit of practice to get your back teeth, but I promise it does get easier. And on the front teeth, you just go in and go down either side, and it goes actually under the gums, which your toothbrush only goes a little bit under the gums. Also, with every new tooth that you floss and then get some new floss for the next tooth, so you're not just transferring bacteria from tooth to tooth. So main takeaways, flossing up and down, if that's all you're doing right now, it's absolutely better than nothing, but you're still missing a lot of the plaque. And if you're one of those people who says you take really good care of your teeth, but you don't floss, I hate to break it to you, you're actually not taking care of your teeth.
You are probably using floss picks the wrong way. Let me show you how to floss your teeth in a life-changing manner. If you're flossing like this, just going in and out, in and out, in and out, that is not good enough and will not clean your teeth properly. Instead, what you want to do is get the little floss stick and make a C shape. Push it up against the tooth and go up and down. Again, C shape, hug the tooth with the little floss pick, go up and down. You want to go slightly below the gums because that's where all the plaque and crud will be hiding. Again, C shape, up, down, 5 or 6 times in one side and then the other side.
Let me show you how this works. Adapt the floss in a C shape. Gently floss up and down to remove food and plaque. If you want to start flossing,